Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new mathematical expression. This is 12 divided by 12 divided by 12 divided by 12. So what will be the answer? About 90% of the people solve in their heads and ask their answers, which will be equals to 1. But remember that this 1 is wrong. What mistake that 90% of the people do, they will do simple 12 divided by 12, they get 1 divided by 12 divided by 12 equals to 1, and finally 1 divided by 1, they will get their final answer 1. But I have asked that 1 is wrong. So what will be the correct answer? The mistake that 90% of the people do is they didn't obeyed any order of operation, they didn't followed any order of operations. So we will again solve it by using obeying an order of operation, which is known as PEMDAS. Basically we have three types of order of operations: PEMDAS, BODMAS and DMAS, but I have to prefer the most, which is known as PEMDAS. So what is PEMDAS? P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition and S subtraction. By following this order of operation from top to bottom, we achieve our correct answer. So first of all, in this question we have only division, so now we have to move from left to right. So 12 divided by 12 equals to 1 divided by 12 divided by 12. Now we have again division, so now we again move from left to right. So 1 divided by 12 will be written as 1 over 12. Remember that we have another portion, other part of PEMDAS, which is known as KCF. K means keep it, C change it, and F flip it. So we use this operation, this part of PEMDAS also to achieve our correct answer. So 1 over 12, keep it, divide is changed into multiplication, and this 12 over 1 will be written as 1 over 12. So now when we solve this, we will get our final answer 1 over 144, which will be our correct answer for this PEMDAS based activity. Thanks for your support and subscribe my channel for watching more these type of videos, and kindly tell me in comments what question I will do next for you.